ready to explore the jungle bungalows at Jamala Wildlife Lodge in 360? Well, before we start, I'll give you a few tips on how to navigate around. If you're on your computer, just click and drag your mouse to pan around, or use the ASD and W keys for a smoother experience. And if you're on a smart TV, just use the arrows on your remote to move around. And for those of you viewing this on a phone or a tablet, then swipe the screen or tilt your device to explore the room in all directions. Hey, and if it's looking a little blurry and you've got the bandwidth, then pause the video and pump the quality up to its highest settings. Okay, now that we've got you going, let me tell you about these rooms. There's a couple tiger jungle bungalows. Basically, they are pretty much exactly the same layout, but just the reverse of each other. The great thing about these rooms is that both the living area and the bathroom make the most of these big glass windows to give you the best viewing experience of the tigers when you're there. Now, the tigers roam in and out of this den throughout the day, but this is the spot they come in to sleep at night. Here's a couple of shots we captured with the tigers while we were there. Hey, don't worry if you can't see it, you're probably looking in another direction. You can see them if you spin your screen around now towards the windows. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. And if you would like to have a look through some of the other animal experience rooms we captured in 360 at Jamala, let us know in the comments below. And if we get enough interest from you guys, we'll work on putting a few more videos like this together. Thanks for watching.